I used to think my dresses were fine, until I saw how dated they actually looked next to what stylish women are wearing now. I kept asking myself, why do some dresses feel fresh, while others instantly age us? After months of studying 2026 collections and real women's styling, I found the one dress that changes everything. And the reason it works isn't what most fashion videos tell you. Stay until the end. Let's start with the foundation of this dress, because once you get the length right, everything else falls into place. The midi length is the quiet power move of 2026. It's long enough to feel refined, but not so long that it overwhelms your frame or feels heavy. What makes the midi so timeless is that it doesn't chase trends, it's rooted in proportion. It creates a clean vertical line that instantly looks intentional, whether you're dressing for a casual afternoon or a more elevated occasion. And honestly, this is where you see the difference between a dress that wears you and a dress that feels like it was designed for you. The midi is not trying to be dramatic or loud. It's confident. It simply sits at that point on the leg where it elongates the silhouette, draws the eye downward, and creates a continuous column of color or print. That subtlety is what makes the dress feel modern year after year. It respects your shape instead of fighting with it. What I love about this length is how forgiving and flexible it is across body shapes. If you're taller, it looks elegant and fluid. If you're petite, choosing the right hem, right at the mid-calf, not lower, keeps the look sharp instead of dragging you down. And if your legs aren't your favorite feature anymore, the midi offers coverage without feeling conservative. It's not about hiding, it's about balance. Balance is exactly what makes this dress feel current, no matter your age or style personality. And it's not just shape, it's lifestyle. If you're running errands, meeting friends for lunch, or simply going out for a coffee, the midi length doesn't make you feel overdressed. But the second you need to transition to a dinner or an event, it's already halfway to elevated. Just swap your accessories and shoes. This is why women over 50 are gravitating toward it in 2026. It supports your day instead of demanding a full outfit change. Now, moving into one of the most misunderstood details, the defined waist. The 2026 version of this dress defines the waist, but not in the old, restrictive way. We're not talking about tight belts, harsh seams, or anything that feels like it's squeezing you into shape. Instead, the waist is suggested through gentle tailoring, soft draping, or subtle shaping that follows the body naturally. That's what makes it elegant instead of fussy. This approach works beautifully on a wide range of body types. If you have a naturally defined waist, it highlights it without exaggeration. If your waistline is softer now, the dress creates structure without drawing attention to any one area. It gives the illusion of shape rather than demanding it. And that's a big reason this dress feels timeless. It adapts to the body, not the other way around. For styling, I always suggest letting the waist do its job without over-accessorizing. You don't need a belt unless the dress is designed for one. Keep the focus on the silhouette. A clean neckline, a polished shoe, and minimal jewelry are enough. This kind of waist definition makes the dress work for lunches, dinners, weddings, or travel, all without changing who you are or how you move. It's elegant because it feels effortless. Next, let's talk about the neckline, because this is where the dress really comes to life. A V neckline acts like a natural frame for the face and upper body. It opens up the chest area, elongates the neck, and creates breathing room in the outfit. In 2026, the V-neck is clean and intentional, never plunging, never cluttered. What makes this neckline timeless is its simplicity. It works with every body shape and doesn't compete with the rest of the dress. Whether your shoulders are broader, narrower, or somewhere in between, the V-neck draws the eye inward and upward. It brings focus to your face, which is exactly where you want attention. And it allows you to wear the dress across different occasions without feeling overdone or underdressed. From a styling perspective, the V-neck is incredibly flexible. You can leave it clean and minimal for a modern look, or add a delicate necklace that follows the line of the neckline. It works just as well with your hair up as it does with your hair down. And because so many of you ask, I've added links to good product options in the description box below, so you can see what this neckline looks like when done right. Next, and this is where everything comes together, let's talk about fabric. Because the simpler the dress, the more the fabric matters. In 2026, this dress is showing up in fabrics that drape, move, and hold their shape beautifully. Not stiff, not flimsy. You can see the difference the moment the dress moves with the body. It's that quiet luxury effect. Nothing loud, nothing flashy, just undeniably good quality. What makes quality fabric so important is how it interacts with the body. It skims instead of clinging. It smooths instead of highlighting every detail. And it maintains its structure throughout the day, whether you're sitting, walking, or traveling. That's why this dress works across body shapes. It adapts. And that adaptability is what makes it timeless. Trends come and go, but good fabric never looks dated. From a styling perspective, quality fabric expands how and where you can wear the dress. During the day, it looks polished with simple shoes and minimal jewelry. For evening events, the same dress instantly elevates with heels and a statement accessory because the fabric carries the look. And when you're packing or traveling, this is the kind of dress that doesn't lose its elegance after hours of wear. That reliability is what makes it versatile and why women keep reaching for it again and again. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. When you're shopping for a dress, do you notice the fabric right away, or is it something you realize only after wearing it? Let me know in the comments below, because your answers always help shape what I share next. Now let's talk about the real reason this dress is showing up everywhere in 2026. It's versatility. This isn't a dress you buy for one specific moment and then struggle to re-wear. It works because it adapts to your life. Whether you're dressing for a daytime lunch, an event, travel, or a dinner out, the silhouette stays appropriate without needing a full outfit overhaul. What makes it timeless is that the design isn't tied to one season or trend cycle. The midi length, the soft waist definition, the clean neckline, and the structured sleeves allow the dress to move easily between casual and elevated settings. On different body shapes, it adjusts visually, creating length where you want it, balance where you need it, and ease everywhere else. That's why it feels elegant instead of restrictive. From a styling perspective, this is where the dress really shines. During the day, I love it with a flat or low heel, minimal jewelry, and a structured bag. For evenings, you don't need a new dress. You just shift the accessories. A pointed toe heel, a refined clutch, and a stronger earring instantly elevate the look. And because the dress itself is well designed, it never feels like you're forcing it to be something it's not. This is also why it's becoming a wardrobe anchor piece. You're not second-guessing it in the mirror. You're not constantly adjusting or layering to make it work. And here's where it gets interesting, because the real reason this dress works so well has nothing to do with trends, body rules, or even age. It's something most fashion videos never talk about. And once you hear it, you'll understand exactly why this dress is taking over 2026. Stay with me. Here's the truth. This dress works because it removes decision fatigue. Most fashion advice focuses on adding more layers, more rules, more styling tricks. This dress does the opposite. The proportions are already solved. The structure is already built in. You're not trying to fix the outfit. You're simply wearing it. What makes this so important is how it changes the way you experience getting dressed. Instead of wondering if something looks dated, too trendy, or too much, you know it works. The dress doesn't demand constant adjustment throughout the day. It moves with you, sits comfortably, and maintains its shape. That reliability is what creates real elegance, not perfection, but ease. Across different body shapes, this is where the magic happens. The dress isn't designed to highlight one ideal figure. It's designed to respect real bodies. It skims instead of clings. defines without squeezing, and frames without exposing. That's why women keep reaching for it. It feels good to wear, not just good to look at. When you feel comfortable and confident in a dress, it shows. Your posture changes. Your movement changes. The outfit stops being the focus, you do. That's why this dress is taking over 2026. Not because it's loud or trendy, but because it quietly works in real life. If you enjoyed this breakdown and you like understanding why certain pieces actually work, instead of just being told what's trending, then you're going to love this next video I recommend. I dive into 2026 fashion trends for women. It's practical, wearable, and full of insights you can actually use in your wardrobe right now.